Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at Montreal Airport and I'm going to give you a quick tour of Enterprise Alamo National. And just do a quick walk through here. Actually, some of these might be budget cars. I'm pretty sure that Polestar. Although it had a budget tag on there. I know Avis Enterprise National and Alamo have the Polestar in. Okay, this is going to be a pretty quick video here. Looks like cars are going out just as soon as they're coming in. Okay, so we got a Ford Explorer coming in here to Enterprise. Got a Chrysler 300 on its way over the aisle here. We got somebody leaving in this Malibu. And yeah, don't get run over by that Chrysler 300 coming in here. And okay, so that's going into the aisle. Actually, I think some people are probably waiting for that here. And just to kind of show you, we got some cars over in the returns here. Yeah, a couple of these cars are over at Alamo. And I think that's going to be about it. I was hoping to have more to show you guys here, but yeah, we got a Charger. And another SUV over here. And these are probably cars waiting for people as well. Okay, so that's a quick update from Montreal. Again, busy summer here. Cars coming and going all the time. And I'll see you guys. In the next one. Actually, as I do, there's somebody leaving in a Ford Explorer here over at Enterprise.